Hello everyone. So now that in our game we have created two levels. First one is the training level and the next one is the level 1. When I go to the game menu, if I haven't played the game before, this continue button will be disabled. Only new game will be activated. Once I play the game once, continue button will be activated, and when I press that, whatever the level I was playing last will be loaded. So to demonstrate that, let me manually delete the save game. This SV progress, that's the file which saves the progress of the game. Now when I go to the game, see, continue is not enabled. So when I press new game, I go to the training level and the game is saved. When I move forward in the game, now if I go back to the Explorer, you can see the SV progress is created here. So if I go back to main menu, now you can see continue is again enabled, and when I press continue, I can go to the training level. So now let's complete the training level, and after completing the training level, we are able to go to the level 1. Let me just quickly complete the training. Okay, now once I close this door, the next level is immediately loaded. At the moment I don't have a loading screen. So now you see this is level 1 where we have this straight file. Now if I press escape, but yeah, it doesn't matter. When I play, I am still in the main menu, and you see in the game now continue is activated. It was activated before, but when I press continue now, it's loading this level, this straight, the level 1. So yeah, this is what we are going to work on today. Okay, so right now this is my main menu. Let me show the map first. This one, main menu, it's in content maps. So when I play the main menu, I have game option and continue is disabled. I only have the new game option, and when I press new game, I am going to this is a test level that I have developed, but instead of going to that level, I want to go to the training level, which is this one, where I have the weapons training. And if I have already started playing the game, maybe I will have the training level, or maybe I have played this first level, level 1, this one, where we set up this objective and everything, like characters as well. So if I have played any of those ones, I need to activate the continue button here. the continue button here, and when I press continue, it should load whatever the latest level that I was playing. At the moment we have only the training level and the level 1, so whatever we have been playing should be loaded when I press continue. Okay, but how to determine that? To answer that, let's first go to our hard class here, and then the game menu in the UI, 𝐿𝐻𝐠𝐵𝐭. Here let's go to the code, and continue button is disabled. Yeah, I already have set up this get saved data from the game instance, and if it is fresh game, if it is a fresh game, we disable continue button. That's basically what happens at the moment. Now let's see the implementation of this get saved data. It's in this game instance. Here. So yeah, this is what happens when I call get saved data. First, in the game instance CodeLikeMe, I have this 𝐿𝐻𝐠𝐵𝐭 variable, and if I don't have a valid one here, I check if this save slot exists and then load it. But I think so this is actually coming from the menu system template that I worked on, so I think we should go for a different structure here. So how should we call it? Let's call it the save slot name SV progress. Wait, yeah, this progress should be fine, and I have that save file class 𝐿𝐻𝐠𝐵𝐭 here. So here we have this plants, inventory size. So this is actually coming from the survival template. I don't really need these anymore, so let's just remove this inventory size and plants. Player, we have health. Yeah, these are also not required. Yeah, maybe let's just create a new save class and get rid of this one completely. So let's create a new blueprint from save game, a subclass of save game, SV progress. Okay, now here just like before, I'll add a new variable game. This would be, by default, this should be true. So when we save for the first time, we should make it false, so that we can enable and disable the continue button. And also I will have last level. So we do have a function called open level, just like this one, and we can directly give a level here, but I'm not sure if there is a way to get that in the runtime rather than manually defining in a variable, but we do have this get current level name, this one. So this one always works. So I'll make this a string. Last level, by default it would be empty, and this too should be enough for now. So this one we don't really need, but I can't delete it yet because I know this is accessed in the save game interface also. So yeah, let's look into that later. First let's see in the get saved data. Now I'll change this object variable type to svprogress. Object type. Now we should get few errors. So we need to change this, and we should not cast. Oh, return type should be changed to svprogress. So interface event, let's open it. svprogress and compile, save. Now we can connect this, and here we should cast to not game state, SV game progress. SV progress. Right. Okay. Now get saved data part is complete. Oh, we still have errors. This is load game, so here also we need to cast to svprogress. It's this one. Okay. Where else we have errors? What is this? Save game. Didn't I already resolve this? Oh, we don't really need to get any of these properties now, so game, so we can delete this parts except this saving part, the actual saving part. it would be better if I rename this. So game state to as we progress. Save game object should go like this, and we should show game saved instruction. Oh, there should be a connection here. VPI menu system. I think get player controller. Get hard. Okay. Now all the errors are fixed, but before we save, we need to set level, set last level. So here we need to get current level here. And what else? We need to mark fresh game as false. Okay. Right, now and the widget game, this should be get fresh game. Okay. All right. So when I press new game, I call this new game function in game instance. Let's go back to game instance, new game here. Oh, so here I should set the training level as the first level, and when I press the continue button in the widget game, at the moment I'm just calling this open world, but this is not the way it should be. I think we should add another continue game button in the game instance. So continue game. Okay, now the game instance, new game. Continue game. Here we can get saved data, and get fresh game. If it is not a fresh game, open level by name, we can get last level name, and this should work. But we need to make sure that we are saving the game in the training level. For now, if I just play this, I will go, continue is not activated. I will go to the training level and that's it. Even if I play again, still continue is not activated because in the training level I didn't do any saving. So in the training level, where should we enable saving? Maybe we should implement it as a part of trigger. Yeah. Let's enable saving here. No, let's enable saving. Let's add a function to save in the BP trigger. Let's add a variable save on trigger. Let's make it public, and by default I'll leave it false, but if it is true here, we can get game instance and call save game. Oh, we do have a check note point number parameter, but I'll just ignore that for now. Right. Now if I go back to main menu, game, your game, when I go here, the game should be saved, or no, it won't, because I didn't enable save on trigger. I didn't get any pop-up, but let's see if a save file is created. It should be in the saved save games. Oh, SV progress, it is created 10:26. Yeah, that's right now. Nice. Now if I go back to main menu, okay, now continue is enabled, see, but still we are going to the training level. Wait, what happened here? Sorry, I think I did not call continue game in the widget game. Yeah, on the BTN continue we should get game instance called continue game. Yeah, now it is working. And another thing, for the level 1 also, in the first trigger, let's say, oh, it's hard to select this trigger. Okay, save on trigger. Now if I go here. Now it should be saved. Okay, so now when I go back to main menu and press continue, it should load. Yeah, it should load the level 1 instead of training level. So yeah, the system is working as expected. Now connect both levels. The training level, we can do something like this. After completing the training part, which is here, the grenade level, we can have perhaps another trigger to load next level. So VP trigger, let's have a VP trigger next level. So here I'll override on trigger, make sure to call the parent and open level. Well, we can set the object reference here. We need to open level 1. Oh, let's promote this to a variable. Next level and make it public. Right, now let's place it here. Okay, so once I cross here, it should automatically open next level. So to test everything, I'll go back to main menu. Now since I already have a save file, if I press continue, I would directly go to the level 1, but if I press new game, I can start from the training level. So let's do some training and finish the training level quickly. But by the way, if I go back to main menu and go to game and press continue, now that since I played the training level last, if I press continue, this button should open the training level just like this. Okay, okay, next section is activated. Now let's go there and finish the grenade training also. Actually, in the prediction arc and the grenade have some change. It's not working accurately predicting. I need to fix that. Okay, now immediately the next level is loaded. I don't have a loading screen or anything. That is something I should do in future. So anyway, now the next level is loaded and it is saved when I cross here. So if I go back to the main menu now and here if I press continue, this level is loaded. Right, so yeah, I think that's all I wanted to do for today. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below, and if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.